So for the last like 2 weeks-ish, it's been pretty chilly in Japan, and I've been wearing this base layer that Dave brought for skiing underneath all my clothes. But today it's like 20 degrees in the sun, plus like 22 in the sun, so it's really warm. But now I'm just like walking around with this aggressive like lion thing on my shirt. People are looking at me funny. I punched a little girl in the head. It's a bad day. I did kind of punch a little girl in the side of the head. She just snuck up on me from behind, and I was like walking, swinging my arm. Pop! Just popped her right in the side of the dome. She was down for the count. She was bleeding. Oh, it was a bad scene. Right, Dave?
Right. He just kept walking away. Just walked right away.
The mom picked her up, so it's okay.
I'm a dreamer, but it's hard to sleep when your head's not in it. I've been restless cause you disappeared and there's something missing. The earth is loose under my shoes. There's an angel and he's shaped like you, and I thought I knew him. There's a window and it's dark inside, but the light was in it. This can't be love if it hurts so much. I need to let go. I will survive and be the one who's stronger. I will not beg you to stay. I will move on and you should know I mean it. What will sit right near me? So close, I would stand on your feet. And the phone calls that were last all night, they were lifeboats to me. Our fading scars, just shooting stars. They're here, then go on.